Hi, I'm Beth of Beth Diana Smith Interior Design, and welcome to one of my projects in Union, New Jersey. My client owned his home for 14 years, and he came to me in need of an upgrade. This home was a total revamp. It really shows the client's personality with my design touches, so let's go check it out. The highlight of this entire townhouse is the living room's 16-foot ceilings. The oversized windows gives the perfect amount of natural light to the space. Once I saw those elements combined with the fireplace, I knew I had the perfect canvas for my design. The tiles are Kintsugi inspired, which pretty much means golden repair. I brought the tile all the way up to the ceiling, and it became the foundation for the color palette for this room. So I paired the fireplace with some custom shelving and cabinets to not only showcase decor, but also to create some storage. I love sourcing furniture, so next was really fun for me. For this client, I thought it was important to choose pieces that were both comfortable and artful. The sofa is really comfortable and has this beautiful diagonal channeling. I brought in these green chairs for a great pop of color, and then I found this amazing marble coffee table with cut edges. All this led to this thick Moroccan rug. It added pattern to the various textures in the room. I really wanted to take advantage of having such a large canvas, so I chose oversized pieces to create a high-impact gallery wall. All this making it the perfect place for this bachelor to entertain. The open concept of the space creates a really easy flow between living and dining. In here, I wanted the color palette to echo what I created in the living room. I started with this gray concrete coffee table, and I absolutely loved the metal fringe chandelier. It's a really unique piece that grounds the space. I found my pop of color through these blue velvet, very sculptural chairs. And of course, every dining space needs a bar. The console table is great because it doesn't take up too much floor space. I added a round mirror over the bar to offset some of the linear shapes in this room, and it gives you the perfect view of the fireplace from the kitchen. At the top of the stairs is the office, which is also a music room. My client loves music, so he needed a space to both play and record. I created a space that has ample seating, including a very comfortable and masculine Chesterfield sofa. For the office aspect of this room, I went with a really sleek and oversized desk for my client to spread out and get work done. In order for the design to feel cohesive, I also brought in some pops of blue and some organic elements. And some textural vases, just like I used downstairs. I also used music as my inspiration for the master bedroom. Let's go take a look. This bedroom is made for relaxation. I selected dark blue-green walls, blue velvet window treatment, and the felt headboard was a must-have for this space. As you know, I kind of went crazy with texture with this home, but I really wanted to give him a luxe and beautiful feeling. So when I found these wood nightstands, I thought they would fit all my criteria. The swing arm sconces are for function and convenience, allowing my client to move light anywhere in the room. I thought the perfect place to add his love for music in this room was over his nightstand with these framed records. This is the perfect space for my client to retreat to at the end of a long day. I hope you've seen how I've used pattern and texture to best reflect my client's personality. See you at the next project.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?